Building a strong financial foundation is essential for a secure and prosperous future. Here are some practical steps to develop healthy financial habits. 1. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses. Keep a detailed record of all your earnings and spending. Identify areas for savings. Look for unnecessary expenses you can cut back on. Set realistic financial goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your money, whether it's saving for a down payment, retirement, or a vacation. 2. Pay off debt. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying off credit cards or loans with the highest interest rates first. Consider debt consolidation. If you have multiple debts, explore options like consolidation loans to potentially reduce interest rates and simplify payments. 3. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Save enough money to cover unexpected costs like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Automate contributions. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund to make saving consistent. Save for retirement. Start early. The earlier you begin saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Contribute to retirement accounts. Maximize contributions to employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401(k)s or IRAs. Consider professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized retirement plan. Invest wisely. Diversify your investments. Spread your money across different asset classes to manage risk. Consider long-term investments. Focus on investments with the potential for long-term growth, such as stocks and bonds. And seek professional guidance. If you're unsure about investing, consult with a financial advisor. Educate yourself. Learn about personal finance. Read books, articles, or take online courses to improve your financial knowledge. Stay updated on financial trends. Keep informed about economic news and market changes. Avoid impulse purchases. Wait 24 hours. Before making a significant purchase, give yourself time to consider whether it's truly necessary. Create a shopping list. Plan your purchases in advance to avoid impulse buys. Remember, building healthy financial habits takes time and discipline. Start small and gradually incorporate these practices into your daily life. With consistent effort, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter future.